Slow drop test machine, cylinder version. First look at the screen. Enter. There is a disarming alarm here. Save history. Parameter setting. Enter parameter settings. There's validation mode and production line mode. Test validation mode. In check mode, here are two switches. Yellow checks them. It is the anti-inflammatory switch of the low mode. The black one is the anti-inflammatory switch of the upper mode. Start testing. Validation mode. Press yellow. Press the down mode of the cylinder. The cylinder will jump out. Time setting to start testing the lower mode. Then press black. The black one starts. Here it is, validation mode. Try production line mode again. Return again. Production line mode. The upper mode and the lower mode both use this yellow switch. Use the yellow one. Both cylinders jumped out. Test finished. Shanghai Chanho Machinery Co. Ltd.